Hello, I want to show you an easy way to show your slides or Keynote or whatever program you use on a Zoom meeting when you share screen. And this will hopefully help you from showing all that other stuff you don't want to show. So it goes like this. First you set up your slideshow and you get it the way you want it. Then you open the Zoom meeting and then you share the screen and you adjust everything so it's perfect. And then you stop share, and then you wait for everybody to get there before you share again. So let's do that. First, I will open my slideshow. In my case, I'm using Keynote, because I'm on a Mac. So there's my slideshow, and there's the slide. That's a huge thing. It's taking up lots of my screen. If I wanted to take up less of the screen, I can say, oh, just show it at 50%. I could do it 25%, but that's a little hard to see, so I'm just going to stop it at 50%. Now that's what I want the people to see, is that much. In fact, I think I'll make that window a little bit bigger so it's easier for me to get around. And then I'll be able to change the slides as I go. All right, looks good. My slideshow is now ready to go. Then I'm going to open Zoom. And obviously I already had this up and running and set up and everything, but before the meeting, you'll want to do this. So here I am on Zoom, and I go to share screen. Normally what you'll see when you get there is desktop 1 and a couple of windows or whatever. You want to move to the third tab. It's called Advanced. And in there you go down to the bottom where it says Portion of Screen. Now, portion of screen is very important. And then we have these two boxes checked, and I click share. What I'm going to see, because I'm the one who is sharing, is I will see a green outline on my screen, and whatever is inside of that is what the people in the audience will see. Well, obviously I don't want them to see all of this, so I'm going to have to move that. Notice that when I start moving it, it turns orange, and I can drag it around. I'm going to drag it to right there. And then I'll take the corner, and if I grab an edge, it moves it. If I grab a corner, it resizes it. I grab that corner if I can get it, and then I resize it to right there. Now what they're going to see on the screen is just that slide. They're not going to see this stuff on the edge where I can change pictures. They're going to just see the slide. They also won't see any other things. If this happens to be open or that's back there, they won't see any of that stuff. All right, I have it set up. It is perfect. Now, stop sharing. And that will be a little red button at the top that says stop share. If you can't see that red thing, it probably means you're covering it up with something. Okay, stop share. Now we're back to the Zoom meeting. Okay, now they do the introductions, they do the business, whatever it is, they introduce the speaker, and then they go, okay, Lois, share that slideshow. And I, having already set it up, go down here to share. Again, I want advanced, portion of screen, make sure those things are checked, and click share. And ta-da, there it is. Because I set it up ahead of time, it remembers where that little green box is, and it'll come back to it. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy, huh? All right, that's it for me. I'm done. I'm done. Hide that, hide that.